Good morning, class 9. So today we start the exercise 2.1. From the question number 1 we have to start. Now the first question is, which of the following expressions are polynomials in one variable and which are not? State reason for your answer. So I will write the first part. You have to tell which are the polynomials and which are not. First part is 4x square minus 3x plus 7. Now this is the polynomial or not? Polynomial of one variable. See that how many variables are there? X. Here x also. Only one variable is there, x. And see the power. Power is 2 only. If the power is natural number like 1, 2, 3, 4, all these are, then it will be a polynomial and one variable should be there only. Means x only or y only or z only or t only, like that, only one variable. So write here, yes, it is one variable with power 2. Highest power is what? 2. Now second part is what? Y square plus root 2. See there, how many variables are there? Only one variable, y. And see the highest power is 2 only. So the same answer is there. Yes, it is one variable with power 2. Okay, do both the parts. Now we go for the third part. Third part is 3 root t plus t root 2. 3 root t plus t root 2. See the variables. How many variables are there? Only one variable is there. That is what? T. Okay. Now see the power of that variables. Here the power of variable is what? Root is there. So I can write root means half. Root will be, we can write root in the form of half. Root means what? Power is half. Plus t root 2. Now we know that it is one variable, but the power is not a whole number or natural number. See that what I said, power what 1, 2, 3, 4 like that, but not in the fraction. So this is not a polynomial. Because the variable power is not natural number. The variable power is not a natural number. Now fourth part and fifth part like that same only homework. Fourth part, if you see that, fourth one is y plus 2 upon y. Y plus 2 upon y, I will extract from there directly. I will give a hint only. I have y plus 2y. This is y only. Both having one variable. So y. But what is the power of this y? It will be y minus 1. It will go up. Now this is not a whole number. Minus 1 is not a whole number. So this is also not a polynomial. And the same fifth one, x, y and t. 3 variables are there. So this is also not a polynomial of one variable. Now second one, write the coefficient of x square in each of the following. Very easy question is there. Write the coefficient 2 plus x square plus x. 2 plus x square plus x. So what is the coefficient of x square? Means near the x square a number is there. What is there? If nothing is there, I can write 1. So the answer is what? 1. Now second part 2 minus x square. Second part is homework. Same only, minus 1 is there. Now third part, pi upon 2x square plus x. Pi upon 2x square plus x. Now what is the coefficient of x square? What is the coefficient? Means pi upon 2 is the coefficient of x square. You can write in your words also. Pi upon 2 is the coefficient of x square. Now fourth part is also homework. Now one thing I will tell, in the fourth part x square is not there. Means the coefficient is what? It is not given x square. So the answer is what? 0. Now third one, give an example each of a binomial of degree 35 and a monomial of a degree 100. So we have to tell the example. Binomial means two terms are there, and monomial means one term are there. Okay. Binomials means two terms are there. Third question is there, not third part. So he said binomial of 35 terms. So I can write anything, you can write x to the power 35 minus 2. Binomial, two terms are there. And monomial of one variable, monomial of power 100. So I can write by power 100. Only one term I have to write because monomial is there. Monomial means one term, binomial means two terms are there. Now, fourth question. Fourth question is write the degree of each of the following. Degree means highest power you have to tell. See that in the first part 5x cube plus 4x square plus 7x. Fourth one 5x cube plus 4x square plus x. First part. See here what is the degree? Degree means highest power. Highest power is what? 3. This is the degree only. So like that only. The remaining parts. Tomorrow Sunday is there. So I will give. These parts are homework. Like second part 4 minus y square. Highest degree is what? 2. Then third one 5t minus root 7. So here t is there. So now tell me what is the degree of t. If nothing is written, it means 1. Okay. And the fourth one 3. Now x, y, z variable is not given. So if variable is not there, now the answer is what? 0 for the fourth one. Now fifth. Classify the following as a linear, quadratic and cubic polynomial. Now here we have to tell linear, polynomial, quadratic or cubic. Now one thing I will tell clearly. If the degree is 1, is it called a linear? If the degree is 2, it will be called as a quadratic. And if the degree is 3, it will be called as a cubic. Now see the first part, x square plus x. First part is what? X square plus x. X square plus x. So degree is what? 2. So this is a quadratic. Then second part, x minus x cube. See the power. See the power. Power is what? 3. So this is cubic. Then third part. Y plus y square plus 4. See the highest power 2. So it is a quadratic. Fourth one. Fourth one is what? 1 plus x. 1 plus x is what? 1 plus x. So x power 1. So it is what? Only one power is there. So it is linear. So all these examples, quadratic, cubic, linear, I already told now. Now the remaining 3 parts are homework. And on Monday that I will take a live class of exercise 2.1. If any doubt is there in any question, you can ask of chapter 2. Now that is the corona time, so be safe at home and wear the mask, and thank you class.